GoTo Resolve is a tool that can transform the way IT service delivery is handled for remote teams. But does it truly meet the needs of modern remote work? By the end of this video, you'll know if it's the right solution or if a better alternative could serve your team even more effectively. Let's dive into how GoTo Resolve improves IT service delivery, and we'll also compare it to other options that could give you a better deal or feature set. First, GoTo Resolve simplifies remote IT support. For IT teams working with remote employees, providing quick, efficient help can be a nightmare. But GoTo Resolve integrates remote desktop access, ticketing, and IT management tools in one platform, allowing tech support agents to resolve issues instantly, no matter where the user is. This reduces downtime and boosts productivity across the board. Next, GoTo Resolve is incredibly user-friendly. Unlike other IT management tools, which can be complex and require extensive training, GoTo Resolve is designed with simplicity in mind. Your team doesn't need to be a group of IT experts to get it up and running, meaning you can focus more on actual problem solving than navigating complicated software. The fourth thing that stands out is its automation capabilities. GoTo Resolve offers automated ticketing and task management, which reduces manual workload and the chances of human error. This is crucial in remote environments where teams are often spread out and communications can get missed. However, while GoTo Resolve does a good job here, it's not as customizable as some competing platforms, which might be a deal breaker for teams with very specific needs. Let's talk about collaboration. GoTo Resolve enables seamless communication between support agents and end users, which is vital for resolving issues quickly. However, while the platform does allow for communication, it lacks some of the advanced features like in-depth reporting and analytics that other competitors provide. These features can be crucial for measuring service delivery and tracking long-term performance. And speaking of performance tracking, GoTo Resolve doesn't offer the depth of analytics or reporting you might find in competitors like Freshservice or Jira Service Management. If reporting and data-driven insights are a priority for your IT service management, you might find GoTo Resolve's features lacking in that area. Finally, the cost is always a factor. GoTo Resolve's pricing is competitive, but when you stack it against other platforms with more robust features or better scalability, it may not be the best value depending on your team's needs. So, here's the twist. While GoTo Resolve can be a great solution for many remote teams, there are alternatives out there that could better meet your specific requirements, especially when it comes to automation, analytics, and scalability. Now, I've got some great news. For our viewers, we've arranged an exclusive, extended free trial for GoTo Resolve. But I'm also going to share some amazing alternatives, solutions that not only offer the same or better features, but also have free trials so you can test them before committing. These alternatives might be a better fit for your remote IT service delivery goals. So make sure to check out the link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available through us.